India is a natural wonder. We have snow-capped mountains, sandy deserts, fertile river plains, beautiful coasts and islands, all in one country. Click on a label to learn more about the physical divisions of India. The Himalayan mountain range is the highest in the world. As it snows a lot here, most of the trees are conical in shape. It is home to the yaks. The northern plains are made up of 3 river basins: the Indus Basin, the Ganga Basin and the Brahmaputra Basin. These stretch from the west to the east and are together known as the Indo-Gangetic Plains. These plains are very fertile. They are sometimes called the Rice Bowl of India. The Thar Desert lies in the northwest. You will be amazed to see the pattern created by the wind on the sand dunes. Since water is scarce in the desert, plants like cactus grow here. Camel is known as ship of the desert because it can walk easily on sand and live without water for many days. The Central Plateau is made up of the Malwa Plateau, the Chota Nagpur Plateau and the Deccan Plateau. The plateau region of India is surrounded on east and west by eastern and western Ghats. This region is very rich in rocks and minerals. India has the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east, giving us 2 coastlines and thus 2 coastal plains. If you look closely, you will see that the eastern coastal plain is wider than the western coastal plain. Most people living here make their living by fishing. India has 2 major groups of islands, Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Andaman and Nicobar is a group of 300 islands. Lakshadweep has 27 smaller ones. The barren island in Andaman and Nicobar area has an active volcano.